Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this money counter effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, bring a new Fusion composition into the timeline, and then go to the Fusion page, bring a background node, then connect it to the Media Out node, and now bring a Text plus Title into the node tree. After that, select the Text plus Title, then go to the Inspector tab, here right-click, and select Edit Controls, change the name to money, type to number, page to text, check the integer, range to 0 to 10,000, and input control to slider control, then click OK. So here we get the money slider. Now here come to this text box, right-click, then select expression, so now delete this text, and then add this expression as shown on the screen. Then hit enter. Now our input control slider is ready to use, which we've named money. And from here we can be able to modify font, color, font size, and now scroll down a little bit to the H anchor, and then lock it to the left, because if our characters are got different in sizes, they will move back and forth, so this will ensure that everything does not move when the money counter is in effect. And if we go over to the layout tab, from here we can be able to change the position of the money counter. Now by using keyframes, we can animate something like this. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!